Hello everyone. Now tell me, who is not interested in eating onion or chili pakoda? And when you see that the weather is so chilling and so relaxed, definitely it is it is a necessary to have pakoda at homes. And this pakoda is I've kept it very simple because this is specially being prepared for my baby daughter, especially for kids. So stay tuned and enjoy my video. And please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Your one subscription keeps me motivated for upcoming videos. So subscribing is totally free. So please subscribe and watch. Thank you. Stay tuned and thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoy my video. Take care. Enjoy the video.